crackle and stuff like that. I know it's not hard for some of you guys, but finding that sweet spot and 4,000 RPMs and all that stuff. Some really good burbles there. Didn't let it rip or anything like that because I'm driving to work, so I'll give you guys an update on this Ghost Cam crackle tune that I have. Thanks to Bad News Racing, thank you guys for you know, getting the car all set up like this, man. It's been a freaking dream to drive this car, man. I didn't do a hard pull because I don't want you guys to get scared, okay? So this is a part of the video. My daughters want to see how fast the car is, and this car has a Bad News Racing TDO 25S on it, and the S-Line wastegate BPV. So I'm gonna do a little pull for them and drive. They want to see how it is. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. Not gonna do a dig or nothing, but. They basically see me build this car, so I gotta do it for them. And traction control, I should have turned the traction control. I got to turn the traction control off. That sucked. I lost traction. Alright. Again? One more? Alright. For you guys. So yeah, that was pretty good. Alright guys, like and subscribe, right?
Yeah. And comment down below you like it.
I love it. Trying to figure out if I really want to put a big wing spoiler on here. I've been messing around with the car, just playing around, man. It's just fun to mess around on the car, man. So it's gonna be pretty cool to see how this might work out. I'm not sure how this is gonna work out. I believe with these type of wings, for a 4-door sedan, you might want to like go with something really wide and probably wide body your car. The car is starting to look a little bit better to me, I guess, as far as what I like about it. I've never seen this many trucks in my life. But in order to build something like that, you better need that much cement. It's insane. Look at that. This is the beginning of everything. Man, could you imagine? Imagine all these cement trucks racing. They had like big turbos on them. They all like racing. Dude, if you're under 19 years old and you want to get in the profession, dude, you want a little career, grab one of these trucks. These guys make a lot of money. Cement. They make a lot. Look at this, man. Look at these trucks, man. Look at all those trucks, man. And they're on the other side too. All the way over. Look at this. Look how many trucks there are. It's like all the way lined up here. I was gonna try to do some like crackles here, but that one. Insane. I got one pop out. I got one crackle out. I was trying to do like the crackles because I'm driving with the Ghost Tune and Flex Fuel. Well, not the Flex Fuel, the Crackle Tune on. And I managed to get one pop out from it. This is insane. Thank you. Thank you, man. Alright guys, so yeah, let me end the video with my little daily drive. So yeah, got one pop out for you guys. So I gotta do like a Crackle Tune video. Gotta get the car really hot. And I was in second gear, but it's crazy out here. Look at all this. Little POV drive. I wish I could have been doing a lot more aggressive driving, but it didn't end up that way. I didn't think to record when I started driving. So yeah guys, I'm just going to end it here. See you guys next time. Crazy part is about like when I get up to like a certain miles per hour, it wants to go faster.